Hello guys, welcome today on Monday, a new week, Monday on August the 30th, 2021. Yes, almost end of the month, and I've sad news for you. We've only one regular Sudoku. There are no extra Sudokus in this newspaper, no additional. Let me show you. Yes. No extra Sudokus. We zoom this out. Yeah. No extra Sudokus. That means that I need to solve the rest of the puzzles of Saturday. But Saturday I have solved the rest of the puzzles on Sunday. So I want to solve the rest of the puzzle on Friday then. But Friday there were no extra Sudokus, no additional. So I have solved the rest of the puzzles on Friday of the Thursday edition. So there are no Sudokus left in the Thursday edition. So what I will do, yeah, the Wednesday edition. Wednesday, August the 25th. 3 Sudokus left. Letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic one. Yes. So I will do this later on, but first we will solve this baby. Yes, Siri, show me a Sudoku. Yes, Siri. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, Siri. This will be number 3317. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27. I've already counted. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. All right. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. I see here an 8 in this column, an 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. All right. Then I can continue with the 8. Let me see another digit. How about the 5 in this column? The first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. All right. Then. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 here. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. All right. Okay. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Yeah. Then. Then, let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. Same with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. Together with the 7, it's a pair. So 1 box left in the third column for the number 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 6 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing, yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have the pair 7 and 2. The other pair should be the 1 and the 4 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. Okay. Then. 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last row. The 7 and the 2, 7 and the 2, and look, we have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Yeah, 1. The 2 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4. And the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column. The 2 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay, and then, Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4. The 5 is missing, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. Yes, 5 was missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing. And 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have a 3 there. No 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 1 and 8 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 place for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then. 1, 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes. Digit number 1. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is number 3. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the middle row, the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. And all the 4s are used, I can see. This is number 4. All right. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. one number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Oh, I made, no, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Not the 4, but the 9. 2 numbers left in this big square, the middle square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Yes. Correct. 1 star. Definitely. And I like this one. Siri. Siri, show me another Sudoku on YouTube. Thank you again for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the other Sudokus in the last Wednesday edition. Yes, I have 3 Sudokus left. So, thank you. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will meet again later on. Yes. Bye-bye for now.